all these seem very unhealthy. Okay, so we are going to scrap all this and we'll have a video today where we're gonna discuss all 30 different healthy snacks for you guys. So stay tuned and we are going to prepare each and every healthy snack, all 30 of those in this video. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have lost 70 pounds so far, and these are the tips and tricks that I follow so you to maintain your weight and also weight loss if you are aiming to lose some weight. So what I did was I tried all of these snacks over the month of January, 30-day challenge, and I was very happy with these snacks, and that definitely helped me lose some weight. So if you want to know different snacks do we have today, then stay tuned and keep watching this video, and if you like it, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Today I have reached 100 subscribers and I'm really excited about that, so thank you so much. And yeah, so let's get into the video, and throughout the video I am going to adjust the camera view, so when I'm cooking something you can see it right there on the stove, but if I'm chopping, cutting, then I will change the camera angle. And yeah, okay, so let's get started. One more thing is I will be referring to my notepad where I have mentioned all the 30 healthy snacks, and wanted to make sure I share all the information I have gathered related to these snacks. I will also be putting the ingredients on the screen and also the calorific value of it, so that if you are aiming to just have like a 150 calorie snack to a 200 calorie snack, then you can adjust the quantity. So let's get started. So the first healthy snack is, and for all these snacks we will be focusing on high protein. Always being a vegetarian, the biggest struggle I have is how to get more protein in my diet. So all of these recipes are vegetarian, and so the first item in the list is salted nuts. Yes, so I didn't have to prepare anything for this, so I got these. I have, you can see it looks like this. So this much amount of nuts contain 150 calories, and it has almonds, it has walnuts, it has cashews, and this is really high in protein. And as I said, calorific value is 150 calories, and is one of our healthy snacks. And if you don't have time to prepare some snacks, I will also put a star on the snacks in the description box. So the star snacks are the ones where you need a zero preparation time. Yay! I know being busy is like when you're busy you end up grabbing the snacks, just like how you saw in the trailer of this video. So let's all work hard and make sure we eat healthy this year 2020 and going forward. So yeah, so this was the first snack, and let's get into the second snack. So the second snack is Makhana. This is also called lotus seed. This has lots of nutrients in it, and as you can see, this comes from lotus. And the way I eat is, okay, let's talk about the calorific value for this. This has 1 cup has 20 calories, so this is a pretty good snack. And let's see how do I prepare this makhana, and in different styles. And you can buy this ingredient at the Indian So I'm going to put 1 cup, which would be 20 calories from Makhana, and I would say 20 calories from ghee. So for 1 cup of Makhana, it's like 50 calories. And I use all the wooden spatulas now, just because I'm trying to avoid all the plastics in my house. But in today's world, it's very difficult to avoid plastics, but I'm definitely trying in my household, and I will appeal the same to everybody watching this video that please try to stay away from plastic as much as possible. And if the problem is if you buy something and if it comes in plastic, then what I suggest is please transfer into glass containers if possible, or aluminum container or stainless steel containers, just for health reasons, nothing else. So yeah, and as we all know, Earth is our home, and we need to protect our environment. So that is definitely one step towards it. And okay, so let's get back to our healthy snacking, and it seems it's all prepared now. And yep, I'll off the gas, and this is how it looks. So this is crunchy snack. I would say once you start eating this, it's really difficult to stop eating it. So what I would suggest is to prepare just how much ever you want. So please make sure you use the right quantity. And this is how it looks. Makhana is the second healthy snack. And now let's get to the third healthy snack. So the third healthy snack is golden milk. And for today's video, I'm not just concentrating on just healthy snacks, low calories. What I'm planning to do is to put more protein in our diet on a daily basis. And snacking is definitely a time when we end up consuming all the junk food. And so the next is golden milk, and for that I have a pot ready, and this is from Calphalon, and I will put it on the gas. And this recipe should just take you 2 minutes. So I'm going to measure the milk first. So I will pour, this is 1 cup, so I'm going to pour 2 cups of milk. You can opt for, I'm using whole milk, but you can go with part milk or fat-free milk, whichever you want. So this is whole milk and it has added vitamin D to it. And 1 cup has 120 calories, so that is like 240 calories right there. So definitely this option is of 240 calories, and I will insert all the details of all the ingredients and calorific value for all of the healthy snacks I'm going to make today. And in order to make golden milk, we have to add pinch of turmeric. And I'm gonna just add it now, a little bit more. And in order to make it taste really good, I also use cardamom, and this is whole green cardamom, and this is an organic option if you guys are looking into buying something organic. So powder it. Then I would add powdered cardamom to it. And then I'm gonna use my spatula to make sure I don't have to put it on simmer because I can continuously stir it. And then, okay, so this was the option. And while we are preparing golden milk or turmeric milk, what I usually do is I serve turmeric milk with some apricots all the time, just for the added benefit. And we all know apricots contain vitamin A, which is really good for eyes, and it just adds 20 more calories to it. But definitely serve it with a dry fruit if possible. Milk or cashew milk to your turmeric milk, that's also an option. And yeah, I think it's prepared now, so I'm going to just pour it into a glass. I'm going to pour this into a silver glass that I have. And this is definitely very hot, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. So this is golden milk with apricots. Okay, let's get to the next option. Okay, so the next snack is carrots and celeries. And we are going to use different type of dips for this. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take, this is fig jam, and this is organic fig jam, and I'm just put it right here for now, and take out some organic really thin slices. So the next option is cabbage salad. So I'm going to get cabbage salad. has really crunchy. And the next snacking option is purple cabbage. And before we get into the recipe for this, which is not actually a recipe, it's just like a quick yeah, so I just wanted to explain, especially Asians who look so young, younger than their age all the time, keep munching on this as a snack. This is like a biggest thing that they eat along with seaweed. So yeah, so as I mentioned, this has become one of my favorite snacking options recently, and the way I is, and then I usually take this and put it in. I usually take it and put it in a Ziploc bag, and every morning when I want to take something to work for snacking, I just take some from this, and yeah. So so I'm back, and let's go to the next snacking option, which is the 7th option, and it's yogurt with fruits. So as we all know, yogurt is rich in protein, and it's good for bones, muscles building, and yeah, so I can show you different options you can try with yogurt with fruit. So let me bring that to you guys. You can go for these snacks like this Chobani Greek yogurt, or you could go with another option like a plain Greek whole milk yogurt. So you could go with either options, and then these are hippie organic raspberries, which I'm loving recently, and yeah, top it off like this, and you have a healthy snack right there. Okay, so the next snack is, I will try to keep this video as short as possible, and let's get to the next one, which is grapefruit. Did you hear that grapefruit helps with weight loss, and that is one of the fruit that if consumed would end up burning more calories than we consumed, and cabbage is also the same, so you end up burning more calories than you consume. And yeah, so grapefruit, this is grapefruit, and we are going to eat this as one of our healthy snack options. So let's do this. Just a disclaimer, guys, I'm not good at doing this. What I do is I just like literally just like, I want to be careful. Okay. So this is another option, and it is just 70 calories, I think, but I'll put the right calories on the screen for you guys to know how many calories does a grapefruit has. And yeah, I'm gonna munch on it now, so I'm gonna take a break. Back to the list of our healthy snacks. So the next item is tomato and cucumber snack, which is very easy to prepare, and I'm going to put it in this bowl. And I have cucumbers and I have tomato, and let's see what we can do with this. going to put some black pepper. In this, and just mix it well. And so we have I'm going to transfer it into this plate. Healthy snack. And let's get to the next snack, corn with lemon and black pepper. And so you need some corn, and you need some corn, a pinch of salt, and mix it and mix it and mix it, mix it, mix it. You mix it and mix it and mix it, mix it, mix it. Okay, and it's ready. I'm gonna taste it. So good. One is something, if you don't have time to prepare, then you can just buy it, and you can just buy it from store. And I know most of you guys love this option, and I will put a star next to these snack options in the description box, so you can go through the snacks depending on how much time you have. So the next snack is cheese strings. These are low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese, and you get it like this, and you can just take one for snack to work or at home, and please eat 2 of these and still would be just 160 calories. So definitely a really good option. And this has vitamin, bones, muscles, mental health, memory. So yeah, this was another snacking option. And let's get to the next one. We are already at 13th option now. Wow. So the 13th option is healthy fruit snacks. So these are 100% whole grain and made up of wheat, and this is how it looks. Let me open it. And so this is made up of wheat outside, and it is filled with either you get different options for this. It could be filled with fig, berries, and this one is triple berry. So this has strawberry, blueberry, and raspberry in it. This has no high fructose corn syrup. These two are just 100 calories, or one is just 50 calories. It's 50 calories, and which is not bad. Hey guys, comment below if you want me to make a video on food calories compared to the exercise calories. So basically I could do comparison, like 1 bowl of blueberries. If you want to burn that, then you need to walk or run for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes or something like that. So if you guys are interested in that video, I'll be happy to do that, because it would be definitely eye-opening for not just you, for me. Like it will be fun. It will be definitely be a fun video, and we could continue our healthy challenges. The next item is popcorn, and for this video I'll try to make some popcorn, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a picture of popcorn right there for you guys to see that, and also we'll put the calorie value over there, so you can check how much popcorn you can eat depending on how much you're planning to eat. Does it make sense? I think so. Okay, let's get to the next one. peanut butter on toast. You can see toaster right there, and now you know why suddenly in the middle of the video toaster came like appeared. It is because of this. So I already toasted a whole wheat thing. 120 to 130 calories snack. Awesome. For next snack, I need an apple and a pear. Apple, pear, pear, apple. Apple, pear, pear, apple. Is this a tongue twister? I don't think so. By the way, you also get pear in green color, yellow color, or red color. So comment below which one is your favorite. My favorite is red pear. I don't know, for some reason that tastes the sweetest, and I have a sweet tooth. And yeah, oops, let me show you guys what I'm doing. So the next one is mango with salt and red pepper. So the next item is mango. Mango is called king of all fruits because it could be sweet or it could be sour depending on which type of mango do you buy. And today I have a little sour mango, and I'm going to add little salt and red pepper on it. You could add just salt if you don't like spicy food. Then yeah, I'll put a picture of this right there. And okay, so let's get to the next one. One of the option of healthy snacking is pistachios. So I will put the calorific value of this right there on the screen. And who doesn't like pistachio? It's like a good time pass, just like a popcorn. Oh my god, I need one more. And one more. Next option is coconut chips. I have coconut powder. What I do sometimes is, for snacking, I just have it a little bit with either banana or milk, and that is definitely fulfilling because, as we all know, coconut is fulfilling. So I just take like 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes, or I take coconut chips. So that's definitely a really good option. It's good for eyes, it's good for skin. It's we all know the benefits of coconut oil. Sweet potato boiled. So the way I make sweet potato is I first boil sweet potato, and then I either added avocado on it, or I add red peppers on it, or chives, or spring onions, and yeah, all those options. So I'm going to put a picture right there for you guys because I made it yesterday night, and it was really good because yesterday we ate outside, but I didn't feel like oh sorry, let me back. So yesterday we went out for dinner, but when we came back home at late night, we thought of having some snack, and I thought it was really good option to have sweet potato with some avocados on it, and I made sure that every plate was just had 200 calories to 250 calories, which is this is going to be everybody's favorite, dark chocolate. Yes. So okay, there's a catch. Dark chocolate is supposed to be good for your heart, for your cholesterol, and it's good if you eat few bites of dark chocolate on a daily basis. And the count is 5 blocks. 5 blocks of this has just 140 calories, which is definitely not a bad calorie, and it's good for your health. So basically cocoa helps you lose weight because by increasing your metabolic rate, and if you are suffering from something like low metabolic rate, like you're eating very less but still you're not losing weight, then that could be one of the reasons. Well, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dietitian, I'm just talking from my experience, what I have experienced so far. I have should I tell that or no? Okay, so I have lost 70 pounds so far, and these are the tips and tricks that I follow. And I'm not saying you have to be 100% snacking just these, but what I'm saying is just watch what you're eating. Snack. So the next snack is red bell pepper, slices of red pepper for you guys, and I would dip it with ranch and eat it. And sometimes I don't even need ranch dip because this is so yummy. And this is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, folate. It's so crunchy like celery. So but for celery, definitely I like to use ranch with that, or fig jam, but with this I just... Next, banana split. Okay, so today we are talking about banana split, but we are going to make it healthy. So for this you need 1 banana, so the next option is a popsicle, an ice cream that I have made from yogurt and fruits, and I will insert a picture right there. And if you want to know the recipe of it, then since it takes longer, so because you have to account the freeze time. So yeah, let me know if you are interested in. And so let's get to the next option. Next option is roasted chickpeas. So chickpeas are very high in protein. For immune system, it has several vitamins that you need for your building blocks. And so today we are going to roast chickpeas, Goya chickpeas. I have washed it, drained it, and or bake the chickpeas. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt on it. I have added salt to it. I'm going to add some parsley flakes and paprika on it to give it that nice taste. If you have Cajun sauce or Cajun spices, you could add that. And this is one of my favorite snacks. It would need 2 minutes and it will be all ready for snacking. It will get a little crispy. And since we are talking about snacks and we want to make sure we use smaller bowls and smaller plates, smoothies. So I will put a picture of different smoothies that I make on a daily basis, and I will also put the ingredients right on top of it so you know what was inside the smoothies. I'll try to put few options. So the next healthy snack option is some crackers. I like is to use almond butter and healthy option is watermelon. Watermelon has a chemical, organic chemical as sunburns and any dark spots. So I definitely recommend you start eating watermelon if you're not eating yet. So good. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I have chia seeds here, and for this recipe I'm also using dark chocolate whole grain clusters, and I'm going to take a glass and put some Hello friends, so our chia pudding was definitely very yummy, and I use different flavors there. I sometimes, rather than putting plain milk, strawberry milk, I'll use vanilla milk, almond milk, or add blueberries to the milk, and sometimes I even add cashew powder or coconut powder. So yeah, there are so many variations. Healthy snack is oatmeal, and for this video I have already made oatmeal. I used instant oatmeal. I'll add little bit of milk in it and then add some berries to it. So this is 10 grams of protein in every instant oatmeal, cranberry and almond, and it comes in this packet, cranberry, almond, and it or use stout. I have used stout top for this, and now we will garnish it. our last snack, which is snack number 30. If you are still watching this video, then thank you so much. I really appreciate, and I hope you have liked this video and that's why you're still watching it. So the next option I have is using granola bars. Even though granola bars are high in calories, they are still really good in terms of protein. So you could actually just use it as it is, or with yogurt, with milk, or with oatmeal, chia pudding, like however you want. And this is really good to on the go. And yeah, so this was the last snack. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please join me in the 30-day challenge, and comment down below if you want to start this 30-day challenge and have one new snack every single day of the month, and then come back and comment down below how did it go, and did you modify any recipes, and if you did, then what did you replace it with? And yeah, so I'll be interested in all those details. And thank you so much for watching. And once again, my name is Akanksha, and we are living our life with style.